Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fathi bin Zulkifli. I am a project manager for Glory Construction. I will represent to you the project that will bid for a tender in the provision of Jabatan Kerja Raya Malaysia. Our project is pembinaan klinik kesihatan jenis 2 Sungai Petani Kedah. Our project will be provided by Ibu Pejabat JKR Malaysia. Our project will be start at 1st January 2023 and estimated end by 15 February 2025. We will handing our project to JKR by 1st March of 2025. We have calculate the duration for this project, which is 791 days. The project also costs 40,256,000 ringgit Malaysia. For the type of PMC adopted, our company chose traditional method, which is requested by JKR. For the traditional method, there are 3 phases. First, we go for the design. Design and detail drawing will provide by the consultant, which is JKR. JKR will manipulate any changes in the construction, and we as the contractor will follow all the changes that JKR provided. For the bid phase, as a contractor, we should bid to win a tender to construct the project. So, as the contractor, we will provide all the workmanship, all the material listing in the paperwork, all the subcontractor, and other changes that provided by the consultant. At the third phase, we will construct and build the project till the complete and handing over to the consultant. Okay, now let meet our project team. Okay, our team will conduct and lead by me, which as a project manager. Then there are 3 more teams that will help me to accomplish the project, which is procurement and safety team, site management team, and consultant team. Procurement and safety team will conduct by procurement manager, which is Shaza, and the safety manager, Mimi Farhani. Okay, for the site management, it will conduct by Wi Padi as a site manager and Shafi Aiman as a planner. For the consultant team, we have quality control and quantity surveyor. Quality control is Muhammad Lutfi and quantity surveyor is Faisal Haziq.
For the site survey, we will identify a specific position, access, the optimal site orientation, and the present impediments. In the preliminaries, we will provide facilities as well as machineries and equipment to the workers. Trees, bushes, and anything with a large root system will need to be removed from the site during site clearing and excavations. Extra work may necessitate cut and fill, which involve moving soil from a high region to fill in a lower site. Next, for the main buildings and minaret, we will carry out the works like foundation works, reinforced concrete works, debris works, and others. For the service and facilities part, we will construct road path, car park, also drainage. Head of contractor will ascertain that the project meets all the criteria and quality standard mentioned in contract document during final checking. Lastly, we will handing over the project to the client.
So here, I'm gonna talk about WBS. A WBS is a deliverable-oriented breakdown of a project into smaller components in project management. A work breakdown structure is a critical project deliverable that divides the team tasks into subtasks. In this project, there are 7 parent tasks, which are site survey, preliminaries, excavation and earthwork, main building and minaret, service and facilities, final checking, and lastly, handing over. After site survey and preliminaries, there are only 2 chapters in excavation and earthwork, which are site clearing and site excavation. Meanwhile, for construction work, there are 10 chapters, which are foundation works, reinforced work, non-structural wall system, and so on. In reinforced concrete work, the task will break into another subtask, which consists of formwork, reinforcing, and concreting. Proceed to the next parent task, which is service and facilities. Also have 2 chapters, which are road path and car park, and also drainage work. Next parent task is final checking, and lastly, handing over to our client. And I, as a safety manager, will make sure that all works will follow the safety SOP in order to prevent any accident during the construction work begin.
Hello everyone, my name is Ripadi Anapropon Richard and I am a site manager for this project. So here is our project schedule that consists 18 activities that must undergo in order to complete the project. So based on this project schedule, the project will begin with the site survey on 1st January 2023 and will end by the handing over to the clients on 1st March 2025. So this is the network diagram that uses the critical path method in order to identify the necessary tasks for the project completions, and at the same time it can determine the flexibility of the project schedule. So based on this network diagram, the overall duration for this project to complete is 791 days. So this is the PERT analysis for this project that used to estimate minimum amount of time required for the project completions. In this PERT analysis, they use 3 time duration, which is optimistic, the shortest time durations, pessimistic, the longest time durations, and most likely is how many times that task can be repeated. So based on this PERT analysis, we can get the estimation time of the project and the variance for the project. Based on the project schedule, the project was assigned to be complete in 2.18 years, which is equal to 796 days. The chance for the project to be successful complete in 2.18 years, which is 796 days, is 99.79%. And their probability to be failed is 0.21%.
Gantt chart is used to show the calculation of when the project will start and when the project will end. For this project, it will start from the 1st January of 2023 and will end on the 1st March of 2025. The duration for the project will take about 791 days to complete all the activities has been given. Site survey will start on the 1st January 2023 and will end on the 3rd January 2023. Preliminaries will start on the 1st January 2023 and will end on the 8th January 2023. Site clearing will start on the 9th January 2023 and will end on the 22nd of January 2023. Site excavation will start on the 23rd of January 2023 and will end on the 31st of February 2023. Foundation works will start on the 22nd of February 2023 and will end on the 28th of March 2023. Reinforced concrete works will start on the 29th of March 2023 and will end on the 28th of June 2023. Non-structural wall system will start on 29th of June 2023 and will end on 25th November 2023. Sewerage works will start on 29th of March 2023 and will end on 27th of May 2023. Roofing work will start on 26th of November 2023 and will end on 24th of January 2024. Ceiling work will start on 27th of July 2024 and will end on 2 September of 2024. Remaining installation will start on 25th of January 2024 and will end on the 6th May 2024. Plastering, paving and tiling works will start on 26th of April 2024 and will end on 26th of July 2024. Plumbing system and water reticulation will start on 25th January 2024 and will end on 25th of April 2024. Painting works will start on 3rd September of 2024 and will end on the 1st February 2025. road path and car parks. Will start on 27th of July 2024 and will end on the 23rd of August 2024. Drainage works will start on the 22nd of February 2023 and will end on the 12th April 2023. Final checking will start on the 2 February 2025 and will end on the 15 February 2025. And the overall project will start on the 16 February 2025 and on the 1st March of 2025.
For the project cost, we use the grade that provide for us, which is grade 7. According to CIDB, project cost for grade 7 has no limit in cost capacity. After detailed consideration about the price of material that we will use, the final value that we can provide is 14,265,000 ringgit. The project cost divide to 3 parts, which is construction, infrastructures, and preliminaries. The cost for each activity is separated into 2, which is 80% direct cost and 20% indirect cost. Direct cost consists of labor, material, and mechanic, and indirect costs come from 10% profit, 6% SSP, and 4% utilities. An S-curve graph is used in our project to track the progress and also show our plan of the project. It also ensures that our project is on schedule and on budget is paramount to its success. S-curve are used to measure progress, evaluate performance, and make cash flow forecasts. S-curve is helpful in monitoring the success of a project. If corrections need to be made to get back on tracks, the S-curve can help us identify the problem.
Now, we will proceed to the last part of our presentation. Our company is very confident in terms of experience. Our company have experienced engineer with high quality solution to solve any problem in construction. We also experience handling various of building construction work for past 4 years. Then, in terms of planning and scheduling, from PERT analysis, we are confident that our company will complete this project within date and without any delays. We also offer the best price to complete this project and fulfill the client needs. These are our past projects in Glory Construction. So that's why you should choose our company. That's all from us. Thank you.